Finally, it's time for Brock Lesnar versus Obafemi. The monstrous collision we were waiting for weeks. Obafemi continuously dominated over Brock Lesnar. And tonight Lesnar will try to destroy the ruler. It's time for the beast versus the ruler. Monster versus monster. Irresistible force versus an immovable object. And here comes Obafemi, wasting no time, destroying everyone who is coming into his path. Everybody is trying to stop Obafemi, but Femi, look at the strength of Obafemi. Adam Pearce is here to stop Femi, but why you are stopping him? He's here for fight. Adam Pearce also got destroyed and disrespected by this ruler of WWE. Obafemi is looking towards Brock Lesnar. Like Lesnar do to his opponents. Will Obafemi be the one to conquer the one in 21-1? Let's find out. Obafemi and Brock Lesnar, eye to eye, face to face, man to man, and especially now in one ring. Obafemi continuously looking at Brock Lesnar. Lesnar knows very well that Obafemi can destroy him. Obafemi has the potential. Femi, Lesnar, let's fight. It's time to bring it on. Both men coming close to each other for this big match. The monstrous collision. Look at Paul Heyman, very scared. Oh, Triple H, this bald fraud. What the hell you doing here, bald fraud? Let them fight. Everybody is booing Triple H. We got one big match for WrestleMania and you are ruining it, you bald fraud. Oh, Lesnar wants to fight Femi. Femi wants to fight Lesnar. But one man coming in between them is this bald fraud Triple H. Let them fight Triple H. Brock Lesnar is laughing. Lesnar telling Triple H that I'm gonna kick over Femi's ass. Oh, Brock Lesnar takes the steel steps in his hand to destroy Triple H and Obafemi. Oh, he throws the steps at ringside. Look at the physique of the beast.
Be nice, Brock. Be nice.
Giving a warning to Triple H and Obafemi. Obafemi is looking scared of Brock Lesnar when he took the steps in his hand. Obafemi knew very well that he can throw the steps on him. Oh no! F5 by Brock Lesnar to the innocent referee or official. Obafemi is looking worried about this intensity of Brock Lesnar. Lesnar is so ready to destroy. Oh no! Paul Heyman, Brock Lesnar in the same ring, while Obafemi again enters on Monday Night Raw. Triple H inside the ring. So do Adam Seals. Oh no! Brock Lesnar attacks Obafemi. And now Femi smashes Lesnar into the steel post. Tit for tat. And now Femi and Lesnar. Oh no! crashed onto the table. Both monsters are down. Referees and officials trying to separate these two monsters. What a brawl when Brock Lesnar becomes a part of a brawl. It feels so real. And now Lesnar attacks Femi this time, smashing the ruler. And now referees and officials separated Lesnar and Femi. Oh no, Brock Lesnar throws the chair onto Oba Femi. And now Femi throws it back to Lesnar. And now, what the hell? Steel steps. Oh no. Oba Femi throws the steel steps on Lesnar, and now they are ready to fight. Lesnar picks Femi up for an F5. No, Femi sends Lesnar outside. What a monster. Paul Heyman is shocked. So do Brock Lesnar.
Oh my God!
Brock Lesnar never witnessed a monster so quick, so fast, so strong as the ruler Oba Femi. Femi is very angry on Brock Lesnar. Lesnar giving a warning to Femi. And now Brock Lesnar targeting the 17-time world champion John Cena. He's smashing Cena like a rag doll. Look at John Cena. Oh, shoulder thrust by Lesnar. The Beast. Cena trying to fight back, but it's a clothesline from the Beast incarnate. Power slam by Lesnar. Cena is screaming with pain. Cena is trying to fight back against Brock Lesnar. Oh no, trying to overpower the Beast. Look at the strength of John Cena. Oh no, but Lesnar is too powerful to handle for the 17-time world champ. But can a clothesline by the Beast incarnate.
Hey!
Cena trying to shift the momentum towards his side. Second tackle by the last real champion. Third tackle.
Bro, are you kidding me?
And now fourth tackle. Got the job done. Cena picks Lesnar up for an AA. Brock Lesnar in so much pain. The Beast is down. Another AA by John Cena. Lesnar get back on his feet so quickly. Cena again picks him up. Very angry. Oh, another AA. Third AA by John Cena. Cover. Lesnar powers out it too. And now Cena, you can't see me, Brock.
Oh my God.
Oh no, Brock Lesnar. F5 to John Cena.
What?
And now, second F5. Like John Cena did to him. Lesnar.
Oh my goodness.
Third F5 in a row. Brock Lesnar is not going for the cover.
Who?
Look at Lesnar. It's just become a game for Lesnar now.
Oh my
Playing
God.
with John Cena. Fourth F5. Now it's a
Are you
formality
serious?
for the Beast. Fifth F5. The crowd is silenced, but only the Beast is roaring. Beast is screaming.
Oh my goodness.
And now,
Dude, what the
just
fuck?
like that, sixth F5 to John Cena. Covered by Brock Lesnar. Lesnar wins. And now Oba Femi is here to take John Cena's revenge from Brock Lesnar. Brock Lesnar is not giving up. Fighting Seth Rollins, and now Oba Femi picks him up, puts him down with a sit-out powerbomb. The ruler takes out Brock Lesnar with a power bomb. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. Obafemi versus Brock Lesnar. Who will win at WrestleMania 42? Comment down below. Who is more powerful, Brock Lesnar or Obafemi? Currently, Brock Lesnar is screaming with pain. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this.